Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a box outline in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, adjustable outline you can use to frame photos, text, or entire sections of your design. This technique is especially helpful for Shopify store owners looking to create clean, professional product displays, promotions, or marketing materials. Start by opening the project you're working on in Canva so you can see your canvas and the standard toolbar. On the left side of the screen, look for the Elements tab. Click that, then find the Shape section and add a square shape to your canvas. It will drop in as a solid square, which is normal. Click the square to make sure it's selected. We'll turn that solid fill into a transparent box with a visible border, allowing you to frame content without blocking the design underneath. With the square selected, open the color settings in the Color panel. Look for the slashed icon under Document Colors. Clicking that slashed icon sets the fill to no color, so the inside of your square becomes transparent. This is important because it allows you to keep the background visible while creating a clean, defined border around your content. Now, let's define the outline. At the top of the toolbar, find and click Stroke Style. Choose a solid line type so the outline is a clean, continuous border, perfect for framing photos or highlighting specific sections of your layout. With that set, adjust the stroke weight. This controls how thick or thin your outline appears. Slide it up for a bolder frame or down for a delicate line, depending on your design. For example, if you're creating a product feature section for your Shopify store, a thicker outline might help the section stand out, while a thinner line might be better for less prominent elements. As you adjust, keep an eye on your canvas so the outline complements your layout without overpowering it. This is a good time to experiment with different thicknesses to see what works best for your design style. Once your outline looks right, you can position and size it. Click and drag the outline to move it into place. To resize, use the handles around the edges. Drag a corner handle to scale the box larger or smaller while keeping it proportional. If you want to change only the width or height, drag a side or top handle. If you need precision, take your time and watch the guides that appear as you move the box. These guides help you align the outline with other elements on the page, ensuring a balanced and professional look. For Shopify store designs, aligning elements perfectly can create a polished and cohesive layout that's easy for customers to navigate. At this point, your box outline is ready to use. It has no interior fill, a solid outer line, and a stroke weight that suits your design. You can duplicate it if you need multiple frames with the same look, or simply reposition and resize the one you have to frame different areas in your project. This flexibility is great for designing consistent frames around different product images, descriptions, or sections within your Shopify store or promotional material. That's all there is to it. Add a square, remove the fill with the slashed icon, set a solid stroke style, adjust the stroke weight, and resize with the handles. Use this outline to highlight content, create neat sections, or add visual structure anywhere in your Canva design. Whether you're working on a product catalog, promotional flyer, or a website banner, this simple technique can help elevate your design and add structure to your content. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating clean, precise polygons in Canva with just a simple slider.